exploring the musical journey of Dylan Marlower, hits, history, and fan favorites. Flashing lights and roaring crowds set the stage as Dylan Marlower's most electrifying performances unfold. From heart-thumping guitar solos to soul-stirring ballads, the energy is palpable. His presence commands the stage, captivating audiences and leaving an indelible mark. Ever wonder what makes Dylan Marlower a musical legend? His enigmatic blend of raw talent and heartfelt emotion has mesmerized fans worldwide. The magic lies in his ability to connect deeply with listeners, making each note resonate with timeless authenticity. Dylan's journey began in a modest town, where his passion for music blossomed early. Strumming makeshift guitars and singing in local venues, he honed his craft with unwavering dedication. These humble beginnings laid the foundation for his extraordinary career. Influenced by blues legends and rock pioneers, Dylan's sound evolved into something uniquely his own. His early years were a melting pot of genres, creating a distinctive style that defies categorization. Each chord and lyric carries the echoes of his inspirations. The world took notice when Dylan's breakout moment arrived with his first major hit. The song skyrocketed up the charts, solidifying his status as a rising star. This pivotal achievement marked the beginning of a legacy that would transform the music industry. Dylan Marlower's greatest hits have reshaped the music industry, setting new standards for creativity and emotional depth. Each song resonates deeply with listeners, sparking trends and inspiring countless artists to experiment and push the boundaries of their own musical expressions. Dylan's music defies genre constraints, blending rock, jazz, and folk into a seamless tapestry. His innovative approach has captivated audiences worldwide, proving that true artistry knows no boundaries and that music can transcend traditional classifications to create something uniquely powerful. With a penchant for innovation, Dylan has introduced groundbreaking musical techniques that have redefined modern soundscapes. His innovative use of technology and unconventional instruments has paved the way for a new era of music, influencing a generation of musicians and producers. Dylan's lyrical prowess is unmatched, weaving intricate stories and profound emotions into every song. His ability to capture the human experience in such a vivid and relatable way has made his lyrics timeless, resonating with fans of all ages and backgrounds. Collaborations with other notable artists have further cemented Dylan's legacy. Working alongside industry giants, he has created unforgettable tracks that showcase the synergy of great talents. These collaborations have not only expanded his musical repertoire, but also enriched the global music scene. Dylan Marlower's concerts are legendary, filled with electrifying energy and unforgettable moments. Fans still talk about the night he played an impromptu acoustic set under a starlit sky. His ability to connect with the audience is unparalleled, making every show unique. Dylan's talent has been recognized with numerous awards, including multiple Grammys and Billboard Music Awards. Critics and industry professionals alike praise his innovation and artistry. These accolades are a testament to the significant impact on the music world and his enduring legacy. Beyond his musical achievements, Dylan is deeply committed to nurturing the next generation of artists. He frequently holds workshops and mentors young musicians, sharing his vast knowledge and experience. His dedication to music education has inspired countless aspiring artists to pursue their dreams. Fans cherish Dylan Marlower not just for his music, but for the emotional connection they feel with his songs. His lyrics resonate deeply, capturing universal experiences of love, loss, and hope. This profound connection makes his music a source of solace and inspiration. Dylan's influence extends far beyond his own discography, shaping the careers of many contemporary musicians. His innovative techniques and genre-blending style have inspired artists across various genres. This impact ensures that his legacy will continue to thrive in the music world. Dylan Marlower's influence on contemporary musicians is undeniable. His genre-bending style and innovative techniques have inspired countless artists to push the boundaries of their own music, creating a ripple effect that continually reshapes the music landscape. Lesser-known facts about Dylan's life and career add layers to his already intriguing persona. From his early struggles to personal triumphs, these stories reveal the man behind the music, making his journey even more compelling for fans and critics alike. Behind-the-scenes stories from Dylan's recording sessions offer a glimpse into his creative process. These anecdotes highlight his dedication, unique approach to music making, and the collaborative spirit he fosters with producers and fellow musicians. Dylan's philanthropic efforts and charity work showcase his commitment to giving back. He has supported numerous causes, using his platform to raise awareness and funds, further endearing him to fans who admire his generosity and compassion. The evolution of Dylan's style over the years demonstrates his versatility and willingness to adapt. From his early acoustic days to his current experimental phase, Dylan continually reinvents himself, ensuring his music remains fresh and relevant. Dylan Marlower's upcoming projects promise to be as groundbreaking as his past work. Teasing new collaborations and innovative sounds, he continues to push musical boundaries. Fans eagerly await what this legendary artist will unveil next in his creative journey. Dylan's impact on different music genres is undeniable. From rock to electronic, his influence is felt across the musical spectrum. His ability to blend elements from various styles has earned him a unique place in the industry, inspiring countless artists. Dylan's music videos are iconic, each one a visual masterpiece that complements his sonic innovations. These videos not only showcase his artistic vision, but also elevate the storytelling of his songs. They remain timeless classics, widely celebrated and frequently revisited. Dylan's music has a global reach, resonating with audiences from diverse cultures and backgrounds. His international tours and multilingual releases have cemented his status as a global icon. This universal appeal underscores the transcendent quality of his work. Staying relevant in today's fast-paced music industry is no small feat, but Dylan manages it effortlessly. By continually evolving his sound and embracing new technologies, he remains at the forefront of musical innovation, captivating both longtime fans and new listeners. Dylan Marlower's fans express their admiration through stunning fan art and creative tributes. From detailed portraits to heartfelt covers of his songs, these creations highlight the profound impact Dylan's music has on individuals, showcasing the deep emotional connection his work fosters. Critics praise Dylan Marlower's albums for their innovation and depth. Each release receives acclaim for pushing musical boundaries while maintaining lyrical richness. His ability to evolve while staying true to his roots ensures his lasting influence and relevance in the music industry. Dylan's presence at significant music festivals cements his status as an industry giant. His electrifying performances captivate audiences worldwide, creating unforgettable moments that resonate long after the final note. Festival goers eagerly anticipate his sets, knowing they're in for a musical treat. Concluding with a montage of Dylan Marlower's career highlights, viewers witness a journey marked by groundbreaking achievements, timeless hits, and unforgettable performances. This visual celebration encapsulates his extraordinary legacy, leaving fans in awe of his remarkable contributions to music and entertainment. For those who enjoyed this deep dive into Dylan Marlower's illustrious career, subscribing to the Music Educator YouTube channel promises more engaging content. Stay tuned for exclusive insights, behind-the-scenes stories, and more features on your favorite artists.